Hi guys, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the Pi Network Launchpad Testnet. If you've opened your Pi browser recently, you've probably seen a new feature called Launchpad. Maybe you've opened it, seen a few projects and some charts, but you're not really sure what everything means or how to use it. Do not worry, because in this video, I'll walk you through the platform in simple terms. We'll look at what the Launchpad is, how to navigate it, and what each section means and everything you need to know as a beginner. But before we proceed, if you find our tutorial video helpful, you can support our channel by buying our educational token Wiki Cat built on the Binance Smart Chain network. Contact address will be right in the description. Alright, so let's dive right into today's tutorial. First, open your Pi browser. So here is the home page. Just tap Launchpad. And here we are. So this is the Pi Network Launchpad Testnet. The Launchpad is that place where new projects can introduce new tokens to the Pi community before they are fully launched. So since this is Testnet version, it's mainly for testing and learning. So don't be surprised if some features change or stop working as Pi continues to improve the platform. Now, looking at the top of the page, you'll see the available token launches. At the moment, we have projects like Slice and Era. As more projects become available, they will also appear here. So to learn more about any project, just tap View Details. So here is Slide Project Information page. Above is the project's name and logo. Below is the price chart, which simply shows how the token's price has been changing over time. You can change the time range depending on what you want to view. Now remember that since we are on the testnet, these figures are mainly for testing and demonstration. So as you scroll down a little further, you'll see the allocation breakdown. So it shows how the total supply of the token is shared among different groups. So next is the launch start section. So here is where you find useful information about the token launch. These figures gives you a quick overview of how the launch is progressing. Now above here you'll notice two buttons. First one is liquidity pool. This is related to the project trading liquidity. For this beginner tutorial, you don't need to worry too much about these features yet. The important thing is knowing where they are and what they are used for. So as you continue learning about the Pi ecosystem, these are features you'll become more familiar with. So the second is buy more. So this is where users can participate in token launch by purchasing more of the project token. So one thing to keep in mind is that the Launchpad is still on testnet, and that means that some features may not always be available, and the way the platform works today may change before the mainnet version is released. So if something looks different on your screen in the future, that's completely normal. Now the purpose of the testnet is to allow users to explore new features while Pi continue improving the platform. And as more projects are added, you'll be able to come here, read about them, study their information and follow their progress directly from this page. And that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions concerning the tutorial video, please put them in the comment section. And do not forget to like, comment, subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on your bell so that you can be notified whenever we post a tutorial video. See you in another tutorial. Bye.